Hey everyone, what's going on? I was just about to go and do some shooting because it's like absolutely beautiful out today. It's like 13 and super sunny. Not the most ideal conditions, I would say. It's like midday light, so it's going to be a bit of a challenge, but I figured why not strap my GoPro, make a little video out of it, and bring you all along to see my process and the images that come from where I go. So I'm going to actually hop on my longboard and just ride around the neighborhood to get some fresh air and take some shots. I've got about 12 to 14 shots left on this roll, so I'm just gonna like count forward from there and show them in the video, and hopefully you like them and maybe learn something. So that's what this video will be all about, and let's start it right now. Hey again everyone, thanks for watching. I want to say I had a lot of fun today. This is my first time, or first roll using this camera, not my first time, but I'm still pretty new to it. It's the Canonet QL17 G3. I'll be making a separate video on it because I really enjoy this camera. It's like, as everyone says, the poor man's Leica, as basically every other rangefinder that's not a Leica. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun. There were harsh conditions out today because you got that direct sunlight and you got to kind of deal with that. But I think we found some great colors. I still haven't seen the shots yet. Obviously you have, but honestly, I think they turned out great. I was using my new light meter today, the Canonet Twin-Mate L208. Handy little thing I just threw in my back pocket. Took a couple of readings to get like a more accurate measurement, and I think they turned out all right. So yeah, I'm excited to get this roll back. I will throw my top 3 or top favorite images up right now. Those are my top 3, probably because I like the colors or the light or something. But yeah, that's the end of this. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite image was down below if you have one, or if you have any other questions or comments, be more than happy to answer them or engage with you. And if you could like the video, that'd be also really cool. But yeah, that's all. And until the next video, stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you then. So take it easy.